The police high command has launched a search for members of a criminal network who cloned the credit card of Police Commissioner Anthony Anderson, stealing more than $1 million from his account. Fraud squad detectives commenced their investigations last month after it was discovered that Major General Anderson had been defrauded. A 44-year-old businessman, Earl Hobbins, who was arrested in connection with the scam, had his bail extended when he appeared before the St. Andrew Parish Court on Thursday. Mr. Hobbins was charged by the fraud squad after $83,000 defrauded from General Anderson's credit card was used to pay his son's school fee at a prominent high school. According to the cops, a man and woman created two cloned cards which have been used to purchase appliances, car rims, and $30,000 worth of hair, among other things. Investigations led them to Mr. Hobbins, who was arrested and charged on March 9. He is to return to court on May 1.